everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Sooji Halwa. It's very easy to make and it's very tasty and very delicious dessert. Sooji, Rava or Semolina, 1/4 cup. Sugar, 1/4 cup. 3/4 cup water. 2 tablespoons homemade desi ghee. How do I make desi ghee? The clarified butter. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. To garnish our Sooji Halwa, we're going to use cashew and almonds. A tip I wanted to share with you that if you're making a Sooji Halwa in a bigger quantity and you want to know what quantity it will be, Sooji and sugar should be the same amount. Sugar is to taste. As for the water, it's always you multiply by 3 times. If you have a 1 cup sugar and 1 cup Sooji, then 3 cup water. Let's start making a delicious Sooji ka halwa. Get a pot and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep the gas very low. The time we are going to cook Sooji, prepare our chasni. Bring water, add sugar. This will be the chasni and we don't need to make any 1 thread or 2 thread. Need to make sure the sugar get dissolved, and as the water start to boil, we're going to turn it off. And I'm going to start the front gas. Bring kadai. Once the kadai heats up, bring the gas to medium and bring Sooji, semolina. Now on medium gas, dry roast Sooji so that it won't get burned, and keep it moving. As you see that Sooji has been nicely browned, and now I'm going to bring desi ghee. Two tablespoons desi ghee. It's always a good idea to cook on medium gas. The tip is to make it faster. You always cook Sooji, dry roast it first, then add desi ghee. And as you can see, it's nicely cooked. After adding desi ghee, we cook Sooji another 2 minutes. You see, this is a nicely color. And now I'm going to bring the chasni. And as we put the chasni, I'm going to turn the fan on. So keep stirring like this, keep mixing. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. So now keep mixing. As it's going to start to thicken, then our Sooji ka halwa will be ready. This one doesn't take that long to cook. As you can see, it's nicely cooked and it's a nice color. This quantity is really good for 2 people. If you are cooking for more people, as I mentioned you earlier, how to adjust the quantity. So I'm going to turn off the gas. So this is the perfect for 2 people. I'm going to dish out. I have my serving kadai ready. Look at how delicious. Let me share with you. Sooji ka halwa is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. For bigger quantity, I will post a video later on. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.